In this video, I will show you how to create a Reddit account on PC. So let's jump straight into it. Now, to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser. In this example, I'll be using Google Chrome, but it doesn't really matter which browser you prefer to use. Then what you would need to do is come across to reddit.com, which is the official website for Reddit. Now, once you've come across to the website, you want to come up to the top right-hand corner, click onto these three dots to open up the settings, and then click the login sign up option. What that's going to do is bring up the login window. Now from here what you want to do is come down towards the bottom and you're going to see this option here which says new to Reddit sign up. So all you need to do is click the blue sign up link. Then what you can do is choose to sign up with a phone number, Google, Apple account, or alternatively just enter your email address into the box here. After doing this, all you need to do is come and click the red continue button at the bottom, and what's going to happen is a 6-digit code is going to be sent to the email address or Google account that you signed up with. So what you want to do is enter the verification code from your email into the box here. Be sure to check your junk and spam folders, as sometimes the email can end up in those folders, but once you've entered that, come down and click continue. So next it's going to ask you to choose your username and password. What you can do is randomly generate a username using this button here, or just enter your own username into the box and see if it's available. If the username is available, you're going to get a green tick. If it's already taken, as you can see in my case, then what you're going to want to do is enter something else and keep doing this until you get one that's available. So you can see in this example that this particular username is now available, and all you want to do is enter your password and then come down and click continue at the bottom. So now there's going to be a few questions, which is basically to personalize Reddit for you. Now you don't have to do this, you can come up and skip through these questions by clicking skip in the top right hand corner, or you can just go through and choose these questions. So what it's going to ask you to do is pick some interest, so this is what's going to appear in your home feed. So whatever you're kind of interested in and you want to see content for, you just want to scroll through and select at least one from here. After doing this, come down and click continue at the bottom, and as you can see it now says personalizing your experience. So it's just going to take a minute or two to load through, and just like so, we've gone ahead and created our Reddit account, and this is basically what it looks like. If we come up to the top right hand corner, you can see our profile details up here, and that is how to create a Reddit account on PC. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.